Chalkbrood. After thinking about American foulbrood, it's almost less threatening to think about chalkbrood caused by the fungus Ascosphaera apis. This is a disease, unlike AFB, that can be treated through careful management of the hive. If and when the bee larvae ingest this fungus, it causes them to starve to death, and the fungus goes through its life cycle, eventually covering the affected larva and causing it to mummify. The chalkbrood mummy then gradually go to a grey-black colour, and then it'll release spores again to start the fungal lifestyle again. If the bees can't keep up with the removal of the mummies, then they continue to release more and more spores, and eventually this affects the entire colony, weakening it, and so it can lead to colony collapse. Dried, mummified larvae will be seen deposited outside the hive by the workers, and this is a sign to inspect the combs and possibly replace those affected with fresh foundation combs. Good management, such as replacement of brood combs containing mummies and requeening, providing adequate ventilation and not stressing the colony with temperature changes, for instance, all help to keep chalkbrood under control. Chalkbrood symptoms are pretty obvious, since the chalky mummies will be present in some of the cells, though the larvae with chalkbrood do appear similar to larvae affected by stonebrood. Stonebrood is present throughout the world's bee populations. It is caused by two fungi, Aspergillus flavus and Aspergillus fumigatus. The bees ingest the fungus through feeding and cleaning activities, and then the larvae will die, go from white to a yellow or greenish brown mummies, and they're not unlike the mummies affected by chalkbrood.